So now what if I want A, B, C, D inside my list instead of 1, 2, 3, 4? How do I do? So the list has an attribute called type. So I said type equal to A. Let us see. For the order list, I have given type equal to A. Yeah, I'm coming to that point. See, it's a coincidence. You're following the class. Awesome. So yeah, I gave type equal to A. Now let's see. Type equal to A. You can see here, it changed to ABC. Previously it was 1, 2, 3. Now it's ABC. Okay, so that's what the type does. So type will tell what type you gotta use for this particular list. Do you want to use a number? Do you want to use alphabet? Do you want to use Roman numbers? We can also use Roman numbers. Let me see. Let me see. If I give as I, so Roman number starts like 1, 2, 3. Let's see. See here, 1, 2, 3. Let me type the other one here. So the other social networking site is Pinterest. Does anybody know about Pinterest? This is the next biggest social networking site in 2014. This will be. So Pinterest.com. Oh, I misspelled Pinterest. So I come here to the browser. See here, it displays as Roman numbers. So I gave type equal to I. So since I can't give Roman numbers directly. I gave it as I. So it interprets. Okay, the list type equal to I. So yeah, dude, I had to use Roman numbers to list them. So there's one more thing called list type equal to. This time I give capital I. Let's see what happens if I give capital I. I come here, I save there. See, this is capitalized Roman numbers. Okay, so yeah, and coming to the ordered list, unordered list also has a type. So what's the default type here? When I don't give a type, the default type for the ordered list is numbers, and for unordered list, it's a bullet, or I said it's called disk. It's called disk. Now I say I want a circle. Oops, what is this? Type equal to circle. So I see here, it gives circle. So the default is disk. Now let me come back and say disk. So this is the default. No need to mention specifically that, hey, I want disk. And no need to specifically mention that I need numbers. So numbers are default for the ordered list. The disk is the default for the unordered list. And there's one more type called square. Square, I save it there, I come here, I just refresh. You see, it's square now. Yeah, fantastic. So this is all about lists. Lists are like three types: ordered, unordered. Yeah, numbers are default for the what you say ordered list. Numbers are default. You can give I and capital I. And for this, it's disk is the default. You can give disk, circle, and square. Now let's do a small experiment here. Let me go back here. I'll be typing it in the new line here. So one more thing, we discussed about the tags, types of tags, like the inline tags and the what you call block level tags. So list is a block level tag. Now you can see here, it occupies the whole area. Like see, it occupies the whole area. Like unlike these tags, I'm coming back. I came back. Oh yeah, the connection was a little low here. So give me, let me type it here. Oops. Give me 3 movie names. How many students we got here? 5. So let's say guest is not interactive, is not. So give me 4 movie names with star cast. Oops. 1 from each student. So I'll give permissions to write on the screen. Let's start with Vivek first. I'll give permission. Don't type in the chat area. Let's type on the blackboard. Okay? Vivek, I'm gonna give you permissions to write on the screen. Just use. See, I hope you can see here on your left side, the fourth icon is to type something. Just click on it and type here your name and the movie name and the star cast. Star cast is like a hero and a heroine. That's it. Right? Let's start. Yeah, I gave you permission, Vivek. You can start writing on the blackboard. Oh, sorry, on the whiteboard. I'm sorry. Yeah, great. Were awesome. I'm just about to watch this movie. This time DiCaprio will get the Oscar for sure. DiCaprio and who's the other guy? John Hill. Great. Yeah. So I'm gonna take back your controls. Cool. And I guess guest is not here. Mansa, you're into it? Oh, Mansa is offline. I'll just Sandeep, go ahead. It's your turn. You can see the 4th icon on your left side. Click on it, start typing. Do it. Yeah, I've heard about this movie too. Robert Downey Jr. and Zach Garfield. Zach, what's the name? Great, fine, that's okay. Cool. Mansa, you're into it? Will you give the movie names? Let's see. I'm giving you controls here. You can see on your right side, on your left side, 4th icon is a text icon. Click on it, just type the movie name and the star cast. I just need 2 names. You there? Don't mess with the screen. Yeah, great. And Rajesh is offline. I don't know who is this guest. We have a guest who doesn't interact. Guest, you here? Mansa, just start typing the 4th icon here on your left, the leftmost, the 4th one. Below the pen symbol is a text icon. Click on it. Yeah, great. Hunger Games. Hunger Games. Everybody can see it, right? Like once you're typing. It's cool. Awesome. I get man side offline. Fine. So yeah, let's do this. Like let's do a small exercise. Now you guys know IMDb website. You guys know it, right? Cool. I'm sure I have written the names. Yeah, fantastic. I don't know if I can link it to IMDb. Let's see. So yeah, let's take these 3 movies and 2 star cast, 2 names each, and let's write a small program. So let me write in the same page itself because let's not open a new page. So here I see I gave a heading. So let me differentiate it with a HR tag. HR is a horizontal rule, which means like place a line above this particular content, H4, and place a, that's what it says, HR. So H4 movies, I say. Now here, let me draw back this. Yeah, good. So let me open an unordered list. I don't like the ordered list. So I said like, hey, unordered list is the most commonly used list. So lie. So what is our first movie is Wolf of Wall Street. Then our second movie is Due Date. Oops. And our third one is Hunger Games. And let me write my movie too. I write Neno Kadine. This publicity. This publicity for the movie. Oh, there's no screen share? I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, you can see now. Oh, I guess, yeah, the connection was lost when that time. So before I was asking the movie names. Cool. I'm writing in the same screen. So see here, I just did nothing. I gave a HR tag here, a HR, then a H4, then unordered list, then some list items here. Now let's see how does it appear in our this browser. So I just refresh this. See now here, Wolf of Wall Street, Due Date, Hunger Games, and Neo Kadime. This is a Telugu movie for those who are not non-Telugus. So this is a recent movie. Great. Now I want to do what you call, if someone comes to my website, looks at the movies which I typed in here, if they click, it should take me to the IMDb website with the relevant movie name. Let us see how what IMDb actually does here. imdb.com. So if I type Wolf of the Wall Street, okay, you see here, this is the link for the Wolf of Wall Street. So whenever I type in this link, it will take me to the Wolf of the Wall Street. So let me take this href or URL, go back here, and I say yay href equal to, I'll place this link here, and I always use the target equal to underscore blank for external links. We'll see internal links when we'll be really doing a project, like when we have more files, be looking onto the internal links. But until then, let us just discuss about the external links. And whenever there's an external link, I always give target equal to underscore blank, because I'm more comfortable with target equal to underscore blank, which takes me to the new tab. Cool. So this is the first link. Then due date. Oops. Due date 2009, 9 or 10. So yeah, again, this is the link for the due date, TG12315813. We'll be seeing what exactly this means in PHP actually. As of now, just blindly follow that. Whenever you let me give again target equal to underscore blank. Let me write href equal to, then target equal to underscore blank. So again here, href equal to target equal to underscore blank. Great. Now let me see. Let me just copy the URLs here. Hunger Games. 2012, I assume. So yeah. I'm just copying them. I'm putting it in Hunger Games, and the last movie is name of Kadine. Control A, Control C. Oops. So yeah, our task is done here. Just copy a few links from IMDb and we're placing it here. I come back to the browser. Are you guys following me? Yeah? Great. So I just go here, refresh this. You can see here now, these are turned into links because I have used anchor tag. So these things are now links. See, let me click on one link. Let's see where it does it. See, this is what external linking. Like whenever I say I wrote it in my system, is taking me to the internet and taking me to this particular page which I wanted to see. See, I say Wolf of Wall Street. Now let me click on due date. Oh, oops. I'm sorry. I gotta give HTTP. HTTP. If HTTP is not given, it assumes like this particular link is on my local system. So always preferable give HTTP or HTTPS if it's a security link. Okay. So let me come back here, refresh. Every time you gotta refresh. If you write in new code or if you update, if you edit, whatever you do, write in new code. Let me click on due date. See, it goes to due date. Let me click on Hunger Games. It takes me to Hunger Games. I click on name of Kadine. It takes me to name of Kadine. Cool. Let us close all the links here. Right. So any questions until here? Yeah, HTTPS sometimes you see, it's a security link. Like if you go onto Facebook, it says, do you want to use a secured link so that nobody can hack your account? So we'll be talking about HTTPS when we'll be talking about PHP. So as of now, assume that use HTTP in links for external linking so that it doesn't break. Okay. Now let's do one experiment again. Now I say inside this li, okay, here you see this is a li tag here and this is the anchor tag. So anchor tag is a list item now for this UL. I want to add one more item to this list item. Let us say this is another unordered list. Right, this is getting complex now. See, I have used one unordered list inside a list item, inside a href, alongside with href, I'm using one more UL. Now let's see. So who's active here? DiCaprio. Who's the other actor here? He is John Hill. I guess DiCaprio is the same word or whatever. Okay, you understand? I used a UL, I used a LI. Inside the LI, my anchor tag is one of the list item, and along with I'm writing one more list item inside that LI as an ordered list. So a unordered list, again inside unordered list, this unordered list has a list item again. So it's getting a little complex, but let's see how does it render on the browser. Got any question here? You can stop me. I'm coming to the class. Okay, no problem. We'll do it in Wiki. Yeah, no problem. So I come here, refresh. See here? Now you can see here. See, the default is disk for the first list. And when it comes to the second unordered list, inside that unordered list, it's circle. You got it? So yeah, this still gives. Let me do one more small experiment here. Let me type H6 or H5. H5 and I say cast. When I come here, I saved it, I refresh it. Let's see. See here? It displays, but it's broken because it's a hashtag. It takes a little space. So I'll just remove that H5. But still, I'm just showing that because you can add anything inside that and you can still render it. So I'll just refresh it. You see it? Cool. Let me go to Wikipedia. As Sandeep said, wikipedia.com or .org? No. .org exactly. Org means like, they are like funded websites. They are like oops, DiCaprio. Leonardo DiCaprio. So you can see here, this is a link for him. The problem with this Wikipedia, I'll tell you, if I give HTTP, will it work or not? So I'll just link DiCaprio, and as an assignment, you take it and you link the rest of the guys. Okay? So HTTP and the link. Oops. So I'll leave John Hill and the rest of the cast, the rest of the movies to yourself so that you can have some practice. Okay? Is it okay with everyone? Vivek? Yeah, let's do it. Chalo. So refresh here. Now you see this has been a link again. When I click on, we forgot about the target equal underscore blank. So let me give that target equal underscore, because that announced me like I gotta press back again. So I save it, I refresh it, and let me click here. See here, it took me to the wiki page. So yeah, this is really cool. Like I'm sitting here typing something, and which takes me to everywhere on the internet. Like I can give any link here and link it to my website. So that's how the links work. So linking is a very essential part of HTML pages. Everywhere you go on the internet, everything is a link. So links are very important and very easy to, I assume. Like you guys are clear about this. Are you clear? Yeah, fine. So one last thing I'll be telling in links, and tomorrow we'll discuss tables, because tables is a huge concept. So tables, we'll be taking like 1.5 hours for the tables because it's a really complex thing. But before that, I'll be sharing a link to the tables, the notes, so that you can come prepared to the class to avoid confusions. Okay? And again, the classes will be shared to those people who are registered. For those who are not registered, go to tutoslive.com, subscribe, fill the registration form, and you'll get the link. That's it. It's plain, simple, cool, fantastic. Yeah, I do. I'll definitely send it. Dropbox. I'll Dropbox, or I'll email too. If for now I'll email, because we can use Dropbox too, because by giving it in Dropbox, I can keep a track of people who are sharing it again. I assume you don't have to share this, because this is my copyrighted material. Like, it's not exactly copyrighted, but I feel like I'm the owner of this particular document. So I assume you guys don't share it with anyone. Great. So yeah, cool. So now let's see one more thing here. One simple concept here. Now you see, I'm here at the end of the document. What if I want to go to the top of the document just in a click like this? Like if I click here, I gotta go top. Now let's see how does it work. I say here, yay, href equal to hash target equal to, let me not give target, and I say top here. So here you see href equal to hash I gave. Let us see what exactly it means. Now I go to the top here, and I say yay, href equal to hash again. I don't give any target or anything. I say id equal to top. Let me not give anything in it. Like, let that be like, a blank tag. I did not give any content to it. Okay, so the ID is top and href equal to hash. Now coming here, I'll say target equal to top. Let us see if this works. So this is like internal linking. So internal linking is used to navigate within the same page. We have seen about external linking until now. Like whenever I click on a link, it is taking me to an external website like Wikipedia, like Facebook, like Quora. But internal linking is like navigating with the same page. Now let us see how does it work. So I go here, refresh. You can see here, there's a top. Let me click on top. Got it? It has taken me. Oh, okay. Let me do a small change here. Let me get top here instead there. Then target should be on. Let me come here, refresh. Yeah. See here, it's taking me to the top here. When I was bottom, let me give one more link here. So I say this is ID top and bottom, and I'll give bottom here, and let me give an ID. So we'll be talking about IDs when we go into CSS, but as of now ID is identifier. So identifier is like everybody, we have a name, so we are identified. Like I'm Sagar, so like somebody says hey Sagar, then I'll be responding. So ID is like something like identifier. But still we have another attribute which is called name, which is specifically used to name this particular tag, but ID is like identifier. So let's say bottom here. So you see the syntax here, I gave href equal to hash top. Okay, that means we said href is the path where I should be going. Now this says, okay, dude, go to something ID called top. So where is that ID called top? It's right here. You see here, ID equal to top. Now, whenever I click this, now what is the href for this? The href for this is bottom. So it says whenever this guy clicks on bottom, take him to ID equal to bottom, which is here. Now let's see what happens. I save it. I go here, and I'll just remove this. See here, I click on bottom. You see, it took me to the bottom. I click on top, it took me to the top. So this is like navigating within the same page. It's not specific syntax. It's just a href equal to the ID name where it should go to. Like go to ID top, go to ID bottom, or go to ID something else. Whatever, you can give your own name. But I prefer like giving meaningful names will make your life easier in HTML. So yeah. So it says go to top, go to bottom. Whenever you click here, whatever the ID you have given it there, it takes. Yeah, practice this. It looks like complicated, but again I'm saying this will not be used. This is used in some cases, but this particular href, this is what important to us. Like keep concentrating on that. This thing, yeah, just practice for like couple of minutes or say 10 minutes, then that's it done. Don't worry about it. It's pretty simple. When we talk about CSS, yeah, we'll be doing, or jQuery, we'll be doing this. JavaScript, we'll be doing this. So do not worry about this right now, right here. Just concentrate on this particular tag on the list for today. Do great. Practice. That's what I ask you guys. Like practice will take you forward.